Many people wonder if coffee can improve their sexual performance and make them last longer in bed. While there is no scientific evidence to support this notion, some individuals believe that caffeine gives them an energy boost and helps them stay alert during intimate moments. However, the effects of coffee on sexual stamina are largely based on anecdotal evidence. Caffeine is a stimulant that affects the central nervous system, increasing heart rate and blood pressure. These physical changes may lead to increased arousal and better endurance during sex for some individuals. However, caffeine's effects vary widely from person to person depending on factors such as age, weight, tolerance levels, and overall health. Moreover, excessive intake of caffeine can have negative impacts on sexual performance by causing anxiety or jitters. Over time, it can also lead to sleep disturbances which can ultimately impact one's sexual stamina negatively rather than positively. It is possible to experience full vaginal penetration with zero effort, no exercise, no edging, no foreplay, and no surgery or pill. Believe it or not, we have the real solution to penetrate for half an hour without ejaculation. This makes it easy for anyone to achieve full penetration without any extra work or time commitment. Thank you.